Hi, this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus and I'll show you how to customize Quick Launch by double press to the power key button on this device. So now we could see that we just enabled the camera application, but if you wanna use another option from the double press to power key button, you should open first the settings, then scroll down to advanced features, tap the side button, and here on double press section, switch Quick Launch Camera to open up, and here you could select one from these available applications, or for example to use the torch if you want. So let's just open the Spotify application. Let's just press twice the power key button. And we could see that the Spotify is successfully enabled. You could switch this option to one from the another options here, and we could see that the flashlight successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.